everyone. Good evening. My name is Karthik Kodanraman. I'm a product manager at TenHands. I have with me my colleague here, Rohit Puri, who's
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Rohit, and I am one of the engineering employees at TenHands. I primarily focus on the media processing aspect of our engineering solution.
Okay. So before we go to the demo, let me just give you a quick introduction into TenHands and how we started. About how we started. We are a venture-funded startup. We basically started early last year, so we've been at this for a year and a half. So our technology is primarily based on WebRTC. And when we started this company, our vision was really about taking communication, which has primarily been a horizontal application, and putting that, making it available for application developers so they can add real-time experience within the context of the workflow that they're of the application. So that's been our vision all along. And to that end, what we have done is we basically created a developer toolkit that allows you to add a real-time, audio-video experience to any application that you have with just a few lines of code. And we basically have bindings for JavaScript that allows you to add this to your web application, or we have an Objective-C library for your iOS devices, as well as C++ libraries for native desktop apps. So if you really think about what our secret sauce is, obviously we have WebRTC, which provides the client-side technology, and we all have that. It's currently available in the latest Chrome browser. So that's our focus has never been on the client side. So our secret sauce, so to speak, has always been on the server side, where we basically have this, what we call as this intelligent media switch, which is a virtualized software that we run in the cloud. We run today on Amazon EC2. And what the media switch does is it allows us to provide a conferencing solution for WebRTC clients. And at sort of a high level, what we've done is we basically do mixing of all the audio streams that we get from the various participants, and we do what is known as active speaker switching for the video. So we have some algorithm in there that detects who the active speaker is based on some heuristics, and then we can switch the video to who the active speaker is and send that to all the downstream participants. So and beyond what WebRTC provides natively, what we have done is we basically extended WebRTC to other devices, such as browsers that don't support WebRTC, such as IE or Safari, and also devices like your iPad, iPhone, etc. And what we're going to demo here, going to the next slide. I'm going to show you a demonstration of our API that's currently available that allows you to initialize the TenHands service and join a multi-point conference. And for this multi-point conferences, we're going to have 4 endpoints, one coming in from a Chrome 23 browser, so native WebRTC, if you will, another one coming in from IE9 using a plugin, and then the third one is going to be an iPad device, and the fourth one, what we're going to demonstrate is a regular phone dialing in via a PSTN, and we're going to show you SIP interop. And for that particular integration, what we have done is we have integrated with Twilio's API that provides SIP out. That's kind of a new beta feature that they have. We have used that. We can as easily use any other API, but for demonstration purposes, we have gone with Twilio. So let me go to the demo. So what you're seeing actually here is something that's available currently at developers.tenhands.net. This is really our API console. And I'm going to show you, I'm just logged in as some partner, and I'm going to log in to the service. And once I do that, I can basically join conference calls. For this particular demo, I'm going to join a virtual conference room that's associated with my name. Okay. Let me go here. And we have Angus, who's one of our software developers who's logged in from Seattle. Hi, Angus. I don't know if the microphone works. Not sure if the microphone is working here.
Hi, Angus, do you hear us?
Should I remove this? I'm not sure if the speaker or the
yeah.
microphone.
Take it out.
They heard the beep when you called, but his mic, we're not hearing him.
Oh, you're not hearing him?
Yeah, we heard the beep when I was calling, but not him.
Oh, okay. Okay. So let's have Anil. Can you join us from your iPad? Okay.
I have the TenHands team with me. This is Anil Kumar.
Hi, Mark. I was on stage earlier. Hi, I'm Jack Blazer.
It's echoing.
Hey, I'm Venkatesh. Yeah. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Mute yourself.
It's one of the tough things of doing a demo with all the devices in the same room. But as the fourth endpoint here, I'm going to have Rohit join in from PSTN phone.
Joining conference.
Hi guys, this is Rohit. It's good to join you on the TenHands bridge. So I can explain a bit about how I
made this call happen. So I used a number to dial into the call, and that number is managed by the sponsor for this session, Twilio.com. So I also used a conference pin when I joined this conference. The conference pin is managed by the IVR front end on Twilio.com, and it is forwarded to the TenHands server, and that's where we do the translation, where we map the pin number to Karthik's TenHands meeting room. So I'm sorry about the echo, but the acoustics here is a bit difficult to manage. So essentially, this is an instance of us being able to do SIP interworking. All of the interworking is managed. Okay, I'll hang up.
Sorry about that. So yeah, this was an instance of how we do our SIP interworking. All of the logic is managed on the tenant side. So we chose Twilio.com to demonstrate like the best of breed integration with the best of the breed PSTN provider. So with that, I guess Karthik,
Yeah.
go ahead.
So let me hang up this call. And as you could see, I mean, we basically done a few things, beyond what the native WebRTC provides today. So we basically have support things like screen sharing, which is only available with plugin, but over time we can sort of do that with the native WebRTC as well, as and when that capability is provided in WebRTC. And our primary goal is really providing like this developer toolkit that allows you to sort of access our cloud services using the API, and we sort of encourage you to come out and check us out at developers.tenhands.net. We are commercially available today, and we already have a few partners that have tested our API and are planning to launch applications with our API in early next year.